So this is Anisha and I am Kashish. I know that you guys don't know us that much, but I'm just doing it. This is me that I'm doing from my camera, and she's my
Best
life.
friend.
She's my best friend, and yeah, we have been together since college. She is preparing for law and also preparing for having like a boyfriend and sort of thing because she's so single. She's very single. Single
Find my
as
number attached.
she, so you can send the rishtas for her if possible. So Anisha,
Yes.
I know that you are single. I wanna ask, why are you single?
I'm single because I feel like being single is okay. The moment you're single, no. I feel that I want to have a boyfriend, but the moment someone talks to me, I feel like, no, I don't have time. I really don't want people in my life. That's the only reason I'm single.
Mm,
I cannot even get to that talking stage with people now.
okay.
The only person I talk to is now her, and she's also busy something.
But I am the free 24/7. So she's saying she's single because she doesn't feel like talking to anyone. Are you sure that you are single just because you feel that you don't feel like talking to, or you are you like too conservative to open up and to give that chance? I think something is stopping you. I don't
No,
think.
actually no, because see, you might agree that a girl's DM is never like, very bland. There are always people to talk to you. Feel like I guess nowadays men have lost the way how to talk to girls. First thing you're asking to a girl is hi, and all of a sudden you're like, what's your favorite food? Like, is that even a question? At least
I mean,
ask
yeah,
me.
it's important.
Are you
He wants
planning?
to ask you on a date, no? If you say, I like burger, then he'll take you out to a burger place, no? It's
First
important.
ask me what do I do? A stranger
Oh.
asking me hi and what's
But
your favorite food?
I still think I'm not a person
Who would
who would meet a person who has like DM'd me.
and also I'm not getting a guy with whom I can connect right now. I don't know because when you connect with a person, right, it happens you're meeting someone for like initial 1 day, 2 day, or maybe anything, and then you can start.
Hmm.
Here it's not even that is not happening. So like,
Okay.
and sometimes I realize that I'm the problem, guys.
It's me. I, I'm the problem. It's me. That's always right. But so basically, so what are the things? So basically, what's your list? Like, what are the things that you want?
Mm, you should be mature, of course. I mean, selectively mature, not like every time you're serious. I know someone that person used to be like, you need to behave like this. No one related to me, but someone I know used to be like that. Girls should be like very feminine. It's her choice, of course. So I mean, it depends from person to person. So I want a selectively mature person. Like he's mature
Okay.
when it needs to be, and not when it's not needed. And intellectual, of course, ambitious, बस. And अगर non-alcoholic और
That's your deal breaker,
vegetarian भी
na?
हो तो वो भी
But
बढ़िया
that's
है.
your deal breaker, na? Alcoholic, like shouldn't be alcoholic and shouldn't be like a smoker and all.
I can manage with that as well, but if it's not, then it will be like plus plus plus.
Oh, is it? What about loyalty, girl? What about loyalty?
It
No
comes in every
expectations.
relationship, no?
No, you have to ask for it. Come on, loyalty is like that extinct word nowadays. I feel.
It's a word, but I guess we are giving it too much hype nowadays. That we are expecting someone to be loyal. Loyalty is something which should come naturally,
And
right?
what if it is not? आ ही नहीं रही है भाई नहीं है लॉयल लोग लड़के नहीं है
And then
मेरा
we don't ask it. No, I'll ask you. You're meeting me for the first time, and I'll be like, I want loyalty from you. And that person will, of course, everybody will say yes. Even I'll say yes. But what if I don't show it up? It should come naturally. If you're loving somebody, if you're in a relationship with someone, so it should come that way.
so what, like, will you go back to that person who cheated on you ever?
Never.
Like if he's like begging you, that was not my intent and stuff like. stuff like
Never.
that.
Because
No,
if I would have been the same person, I would have not.
makes sense. So basically, you will not. Okay, okay. But Anisha, I want to ask,
Yeah.
and because I know about your background, why don't you try dating apps? Why are you so afraid of dating apps?
Afraid would not be the right word here.
Okay.
Maybe I've generalized it too much. That I've just heard it's for flings and stuff. Just for that reason. And the place I live in currently, wherever I live, it's a proper like I have all my batchmates, so I'll be like totally occupied with that sort of stuff. That
So like you don't
everybody
want
will
to
be
make.
flinging me. Yeah, I don't want any student sort of kids in my life.
Hmm,
So
makes sense. Okay. So like apart from that, no reason.
no, right?
So
Yeah.
guys, if
I
anyone,
I I have downloaded Tinder and Bumble twice in my life. Tinder with her for the first time for like one day, 30 minutes or something like that
yeah,
that night. And again after 6 years with her for 10 to 15 minutes.
when we're like enjoying our pizza at Fat Lulu, so
Hmm.
there. Mm.
Couldn't.
So not there. So I knew from college that like not new as such, but Anisha told like once told in the college that she wants a guy in finance, dark, tall. No, nothing like that. She wants a guy who wears kurta, looks like a teacher, have big dadi, and that
I'm
was her type.
I just got reminded of someone.
It was her type, by the way, Anna.
I like mature looking men especially. So I have these things. I like men who are like above 40
It's
maybe.
okay, वैसे ही रहते हैं.
Above 40.
Above 40, basically like a
Very mature. हाँ.
married guy चाहिए.
चाहिए नहीं मतलब I feel
Married
even if
एज
some
के हो जाए.
अरे यार
उस
मैरिड
टाइम पे
एज
तो
की नहीं
रिटायरमेंट की
उसकी
इजाजत है
शक्ल पे दिखनी चाहिए
कि वो बूढ़ा
मेच्योरिटी.
है. अच्छा.
मेच्योरिटी.
अब समझ में आया इसको मेच्योर नहीं, इसको बूढ़े लोग चाहिए. ओह.
मेच्योर.
ओके ओके.
लेट्स स्विच द टॉपिक फ्रॉम बॉयज.
अब टॉपिक पर बॉयज होंगे ना, आपको लड़का ही नहीं मिल रहा, तो तभी मैं बात करना चाह रही हूँ कि
Maybe अब
अब
मुझे नहीं
व्हाट इज
चाहिए.
द थिंग, व्हाई डू यू डोंट वांट गाइस?
I also feel this thing. I was having this conversation last time with my brother where I said to him that see वैसे ये एक बोलने की बात है that I don't have time for anyone, but I genuinely feel that if I'll come in a relationship, no, I'll have to give something very much to him, and I don't really. It's my career speak right now. I don't have that time to give to somebody that I want to invest 6 months properly कि अब वो connection build हो जाए. Initially, you have to, no matter what.
तो आपको
आपको
तो
time
ऐसे
देना
लड़का ही
पड़ेगा.
नहीं मिलेगा ना, यू नेवर गेट अ गाय. यू हैव टू, लाइफ इज नेवर अबाउट एक्सट्रीम्स, नो, इट कैन नॉट बी लाइक पहले मैं करियर बिल्ड कर लेती हूँ फिर मैं लड़का पटाऊंगी. इट कैन नॉट बी दैट. इट हैज टू बी लाइक यू हैव टू बैलेंस योर करियर एंड the guy, and if the guy is right, he will only help you grow. समझ रही है?
I also have this one thing where I have already said this to you. If I find a guy, even if my parents bring it to me, and I feel that the person is okay, right? Initially okay. You never know who is wrong or right. वो 10 साल बाद भी आपको पता चल सकता है, right?
Okay, so bye guys. So this was Kashish and she was Anisha, my best friend, and it was such a lovely conversation. And I am gonna come back again with some other person or maybe just me sharing a little about myself because I know that this is gonna be my first video on my channel. So I want you to also know about me because I have done a lot of shits. Done shits that even I am afraid to tell out loud. So we're gonna wait for that. Bye. Cheers. I love Nick because